management is addressing analysts in a concall. Let's cut in live.
As far as the excise duty on Haridwar plant is that, effective April 2018, yes, we'll be under the excise duty regime. Presently, Haridwar is contributing, if I say within this quarter, it is 36%. And the effect of that will be reflected in the first quarter of 18-19, no doubt. And that point of time, we'll take a call. At this point of time, it's difficult to comment on that, whether the price correction will be taken or not.
Sure, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you. Next person is from the line of Aman Pirani from Deutsche Bank. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Thanks for the opportunity. Sir, my first question is on raw materials. In last quarter, you had mentioned that this year you could see some increase in raw material cost, especially on the steel side. So just wanted to get an update as to what are the kind of price increases you are seeing, and do you think that this could increase further, given that the government has decided to extend the MIP and is talking about an anti-dumping duty?
Yeah, as far as the raw materials prices are concerned, if you see that marginal upward trend is there in aluminum and steel prices, but that is not major which can affect the bottom line. Subsequently, yes, we are seeing some pressure will be there on the raw material front.
Okay.
We are expecting that after this, though it was expected in the second half, we'll see some pressure.
Okay.
But now I think with the recent change in the global market, the Britain's exit from that European Union, I think some ease is there in the market.
Okay.
So immediately we are not seeing any major pressures to come on the raw material prices.
Okay, understood. And any recent price hikes that you have taken?
Yes, we have taken in the month of April, beginning of the year.
Okay. And sir, secondly, just an update on what is the extent of financing right now, and how much of that would be done by Hero MotoCorp?
It is, I think, normally we have to consider on the annual basis that how much growth has been done by FinCorp.
Okay.
Last March, we have told that 35 to 40,000 vehicles are monthly financed by FinCorp.
Right.
The support is coming, and they are, I think, working aggressively to increase their numbers, their presence in that domestic market.
Okay. And so lastly, I think you mentioned that the rural growth was around 7%, which is broadly in line with your overall YTD growth. So is it fair to say that urban and rural markets are growing equally?
No, overall for the industry, the urban market is growing a little better. However, in the next 2 quarters, we expect rural to pick up due to good monsoon.
Okay.
We should expect to grow better in the rural areas.
Okay, understood.
All right, that was the